Welcome back to the Calculus Lecture Series. In this video, we're going over natural log derivatives. So let's jump right into it. If you have a function f of x that is equal to a natural log of some x value, right, or some term x, then f prime of x is going to be equal to the derivative over the x portion. So the derivative of the portion inside over the portion inside. So it makes sense, right? Let's just go right into an example here. We have the natural log of 3x squared. So how do we go about this? Well, we just ignore the natural log part and we say, okay, so d dx is equal to x prime. So x prime is 6x over just our normal function. And we can do another simplification here, right? So we have it 6x over 3x squared. We can cancel an x, leaving an x on the bottom. And then 6 over 3 is just 2. So the derivative of the natural log of 3x squared is just 2 over x. All right, let's move on here. For number 2, we have the natural log of e to the 5x. Okay, how do we go about that? So we're going to say that the derivative d dx is equal to, and on the bottom we'll put e to the 5x because that's what we have inside. And now we have to take the derivative of e to the 5x. And if you remember from the last video, we just touched on this. You bring the exponent down and take the derivative of it, so it's just 5e to the 5x. And then if we were to just cancel out the e to the 5x's, we're left with 5. So that's the derivative of the natural log of e to the 5x. Okay, now we have a little bit of a harder, more intensive one here. We have the natural log of sine squared over 5x. So how do we go about this? Well, we're going to put, we're going to say d dx is equal to, and on the top, I guess we'll do the what's it called? The derivative first. So this would be 2 sine of 5x, right? Bring the exponent down, cosine of 5x, and I'll differentiate the terms here by putting parentheses around them. And then let me just make sure that you guys can see here. Let me move us over just a tad. And we have, so we had the cosine, and now we just take the derivative of the inside, which is 5. Combine the terms. Over here we have 10. 10 sine 5x cosine of 5x. So then we take sine squared of 5x because we just put the normal bit on the bottom. We can do a simplification here. Hopefully you see it. We have a sine of 5x and a sine squared of 5x. We can cancel out one of the sine of 5x's. So this will leave us with a final of 10 cosine of 5x all over sine squared of 5x. I hope you guys, not sine squared, sine of 5x, because we canceled the one. That's the whole reason we did that. I hope you guys enjoyed. That was derivatives of the natural log function. Hopefully that made sense. We're going to go over logs then, logs and exponential derivatives next. So stay tuned for that.